What's up, YouTube? What are all you hooligans up to today? It's Friday, February, I think it's 12th. Yes, 2021, Friday, February 12th. It's a holiday. I think it's President's Day or something, so I'm off work today. It is, hang on, I'll tell you what what time is it? It's 1:03 p.m. right now, and we are taking a ride over to Avila. We're just going to kind of cruise through and do episodes, I can't talk, Shoutouts, episode 4. So we just got off the 101, taking the road into Avila here. And it is a beautiful day. I want to say it's probably mid-60s here, low to mid-60s. It was about 70 back in Atascadero. I just short sleeve today. That's how warm it is. One of the few things I like about California. You can ride all year round out here. So first, number one on the shout-outs today is Ginger-Moto. That's Gina, and she's a moto vlogger out in Florida. She just started riding in spring of 2020, so she just started riding last year and started up a YouTube channel documenting her experiences and just starting riding and being a female rider. It's cool to see more and more female riders out there. Still working on trying to talk my wife into wanting to learn how to ride, but I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, she's got a Suzuki GSX 250R, and so far the videos I've watched it as some vlogging. Let's say, like, she's talking about her experiences and learning to ride. I think she's got one on doing the motorcycle safety course. I forgot the proper name of that motorcycle course. Also, oh, what else? Oh, her most recent video was like I can't remember the name, but some kind of garden somewhere where she went and walked through and was talking. I think she called it Behind the Helmet, something like that. But she was also asking her viewers, like, hey, what's some ideas you think that would be good for that you'd like to see her do. So anyways, go over and check out Gina's channel. Like I said, it's Ginger-Moto Dash. Go check it out, hit that like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Let her know I sent you over there. You'll enjoy it. All right, number 2. What was number 2? Alright, number 2 is Chopper Fett. I think it's a play on like Boba Fett, 'cause I think he's a Star Wars fan. So it's Chopper Fett, and that's Brett in Kansas, I believe. I think he's in Kansas. I see him wearing his Chiefs jersey, I think, and seen some Kansas stuff in the background. I think he's had some rides in Kansas. I might be guessing on the location, but I'm pretty sure it's Kansas. But he's a Harley rider. He's got a Dyna. You know, he does some motor vlogs, comparison videos, I believe reviews. I think he's got some on there, like, you know, comparing different bikes. Another good one, posts regular content. Another one that I think's got stickers. I gotta get stickers. I gotta work on a logo. But anyways, go check Brett out. He's a cool guy. You'll like his channel. Once again, you know, make sure you hit that subscribe button when you head over there. Like, comment, let him know I sent you over there. Look what a beautiful day it is. Yeah, nice Corvette. So this is Avila here. Actually, we passed, I think, the little town of Avila. We'll turn around and go back into Avila and show it to you. I might stop up here and check on Cori. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you can see, I've got Cori on the back. We're trying out the new sissy bar and backrest I got. I got the oh, what is it, Chrome Works, I think, sissy bar, the tall one with the wide Saddleman backrest. So she's got some nice back support. Let's see, the last ride we went on, oh, my phone, I hate when the orientation flips. The last ride we went on was 15 minutes and her back was hurting. We're already at 30 minutes right now and she hasn't said anything yet. Oh, nose itches. Something in the air tickling my nose. Man, it is a nice day. West Coast in February. So she's on her breaking in the backrest there. We'll stop up here and see how she likes it. We'll take a break and then I'll hit the next two. I got 4 today. Four channels to shout out for episode 4. I'm actually getting to be where it's kind of hard to pick the channels I want to do shout outs on, because there's so many out there that I really like. And I think I mentioned before, kind of, I don't know if I'll stick to this criteria, but I'm trying to stick to channels with like less than 1,000 viewers. You know, we're all us that are starting out, trying to, you know, help each other out. Oh, there's a big speed bump. I didn't even see that. You know, I think the last time bottomed out. I think the last time we came out here, I nailed that speed bump because it was sunset. Couldn't really see it. All right, we gotta put the face shield up. Let some air in here. It's getting a little warm. Yeah? You need to go?
Yeah.
All right, potty break. And I don't know. Whoop. All right, so we're back on the road. Had our bathroom break. Can't stress how nice of a day this is. It is gorgeous out. Oh, I should probably keep my eyes on the road though, so I don't hit the speed bumps again. All right, so next on the shout out list is Salty and Sprinkles. I think that's the name. Salty's out of Texas. I believe the Houston area. I could be wrong on that. Man, the sun is bouncing off that cell phone screen right now, right in my eyes. And I just have the regular. I don't have my tinted pin lock today. But anyways, Salty and Sprinkles. He's out of Texas. Got a vlogger. Rides an Indian. I know everybody can't be perfect, but hey, he's still a cool guy. Just kidding. I like Indians. But I believe his wife also rides, which is really awesome. Cori, if you're listening, sure, I can't talk you into learning how to ride. We got the Sportster. But he's got a good channel. His kids like to ride on the back, which is really cool. My son's kind of outgrown that a little bit. He's 13 now. I think he's ready for his own bike. But he does vlogs, they do a lot of they're foodies, going out and eating. So they're doing you know, riding, food, beer, all the good stuff. But go over and check out his channel. He's another one that's, if I remember right, it's got some pretty good video editing skills. I'm trying to get better at video editing. I'm gonna experiment today. I'm trying to add I want to put a I'm gonna try putting the speedometer in the video. That wasn't too bad. The GoPro, I think 7, starting with the 7s, like 7, 8, 9, they have GPS in them, so they record GPS data. So I'm gonna try to put like a speedometer up here in the left corner on this video. If you don't see it it means I had problems. I was able to finally get one to work last night. I had to use a different program though. The desktop version of the GoPro Quick, whatever it is, Quick Desktop, there's some bug and you can't get the sticker, they call it stickers I think, with the speedometer to work. So I've used a couple different programs. There's one program that extracts the file, the GPS data, and then another program I use to combine them that adds the speedometer to it. So I got sidetracked. Anyways, go check out Salty and Sprinkles. Most of these also have the Instagram pages, which I just kind of started looking for the Instagram pages for the different YouTube channels I follow. But go over there, like, subscribe, comment, let Salty know I sent you over there. Say you'll like his channel too. Alright, we've got one more on the list. See if I can remember who it is. Doop-de-doo. Last on my list is Mr. Jixer 805. And now we gotta, this is a Californian. We gotta try to include a vlogger from California every time. So this is Tony. He's down in Ventura, California. You're gonna try to let people go. So anyways, who was I on? Oh yeah, Tony, Mr. Jixer 805. Hey, we got Moto Mike 805 and Mr. Jixer 805. Is Ventura County area code 805? I don't know, it could be. I know Santa Barbara is. But anyways, he does vlog and rides down in the LA area. Shows some pretty cool roads down there if you ever want to go to the LA area to ride. He's got some buddies he rides with sometimes, they're Harley riders. But Tony's got a Gixxer, I think it's a 2002 Gixxer 600. Nice bike. One of these days I might put a sport bike in the garage. But I like Tony's channel. Go over there and check it out. I know you guys will like it too. As always, hit the like, subscribe buttons, comment, let Tony know I sent you over there. Check out his Instagram page as well. So I believe that was 4. Was that all 4? I think that was all 4. So I'll go home today and try to start editing these. I'm going to see if I can get that the speedometer up in the corner. From what I understand, I guess there was an issue with the firmware. I think it's on the GoPro 8. It might be the 7 too. But one of the fixes out there to fix the issue with the desktop quick version was to roll back the firmware on the camera, which I don't really want to have to do that. It seems really, I don't know, I'm sure you're starting to question GoPro, but they kind of got the market on the adventure cameras. But it seems like they got a lot of buggy issues. You know, the issues I've had with the 7 and now this, but oh well, I like the quality of the video. Got the gold wing back there, I think. So go check out, I'll put the links to all 4 channels in the description down below. But go check out those 4 channels. Like I said, I'm finding more and more channels out there on YouTube that I want to do the shout-outs for, and it's getting hard to pick which ones to do. What will probably happen is I'll end up getting to a point where I've done all of them, and then I'll have problems finding channels I want to do shout-outs for. You know, of course, there's always the other channels out there that got a lot more viewers, but they probably don't really need shout-outs because they've already got thousands and thousands of viewers. But I guess if I ever run out of channels to shout out, then maybe I'll start doing some of the bigger ones, or maybe go from like 1,000 subscribers to 5,000 subscribers. Because there are a lot of good channels I like too that are in that range. So that's it. So check them out. Let them know I sent you over there. Say hi. I know you'll enjoy the new channels. And I guess that's about it for today. It's such a nice day out, and enjoy the rest of the ride back home. We got about, I think we're about 25 minutes from the house. So, all right, you hooligans, remember, ride like everyone out there is a hired assassin trying to kill you. Ride safe, YouTube. Peace.